Alright, so here we are. We're getting down towards the end of the list. The next one on the list is Plan B. This number on the list is number 12. So we have a couple more to go. Okay, number 12 is Plan B. How I get 2 orders a day while I sleep. Results vary and not guaranteed. Here's the number one complaint. My postcards are not working. Then the 9 times out of 10, you've got a mailing list problem, not a postcard problem. That's why I've equipped this program with airbags. Here's what to do next. Switch gears immediately to Plan B. However, I would not throw the baby out with the bathwater and quit mailing postcards, but I would also engage these free resources available: YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. When you are doing your own YouTube video. Alright, so this basically explains here how they suggest you do a video. This is a little bit of coaching advice. They're saying you should do videos that are 3 to 7 minutes long. Your videos should not be boring. They should be exciting. They should be entertaining. And at the very least, they should be, you can do vlog style videos that are very natural. They feature one of the members of the program who's doing well with YouTube at this time, giving you some recommendations and some examples of how other people who are successful with video are making their videos. Now, at the end of the day, most people are not going to do this, which is fine. However, the information is here to give you some advice to say like, hey, listen, if your postcard's not working for you, and until we figure out what the reason is, another thing that you can be doing is your Plan B, which is to use social media, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, just to name a few. All right, that being said, there's not much else to this video. That's all there is. And let's move on to one of the last videos of this series.